everybody, welcome back to Three Little Masters. Today we're making
chocolate
cupcakes.
Preheat your oven to 350 degrees.
Now let's put the dry ingredients first. You will need 2 cups of flour, half cups of sugar,
A 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
1½ teaspoons baking soda, two teaspoons of baking powder.
Now mix all the dry ingredients together.
Now it's time to add the wet ingredients. Add half cup of milk,
A teaspoon of vanilla extract.
forgot to add the cocoa powder, but it's okay.
Add 3/4 cup of cocoa powder. It is okay if you add a dry ingredient while adding the wet ingredients, but it is recommended to put the dry ingredients, then the wet ones.
And half cup of oil.
Mix it all together. Add 2 eggs, mixing after adding 1 egg.
Add 1 cup of boiling water to a separate bowl. And then, so right now we're making coffee, and then you add 1 teaspoon of espresso powder.
If you don't have espresso powder that is instant, then you can just make the coffee before you actually make the cake batter. I'm going to mix it a bit, and now we have coffee.
Now gradually add your boiling coffee.
If the batter is runny, don't worry because this is the texture we need for a moist cake.
Put in the cupcake bowl so we can put the cupcakes in.
Put the cupcake batter into the cupcake molds. If you want a bigger cake, then you can use 2 9-inch cake tins.
Look at your face, Lobo. Look at your face, Molly.
Bake the cupcakes for 15 to 17 minutes. Put the cupcakes in the oven. The cupcakes are done when you insert a skewer inside the cupcakes and the skewer comes out clean. Now let's make some buttercream frosting. Here's what you need. 2 tablespoons of milk, half cup butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 cups of powdered sugar. Now here's how to make it. Add your butter into a big bowl. Now beat the butter with an electric mixer. Gradually add your powdered sugar.
Now add in a teaspoon of vanilla. Decorate the cupcakes however you like.
You can decorate the cupcakes however you like. I was making these for a friend, so her name starts with S, so I put some S's on top.